we just made it here to the launching ramp for the kayak, and it's still cold outside, but we're going to try to get it unloaded, get it in the water for the first time this year. So alright, so we're in the water now, and there's some actual, there's like wood ducks up here. Should have brought the whole shotgun. Nah, but the water's actually really up right now. I'm actually surprised. Like, I was thinking it was down, but a lot of the land that I remember from this creek being uncovered is actually covered right now. And I guess it just looked like from the launch the water was down, so, but I guess I was wrong. So I just dripped water all over me and it's so cold. But this is part of the adventure part of our channel. We do a whole lot of fitness, and but in the summertime you'll see a lot more of the adventure part. I just thought, since the channel's new, I would do a little vlog today on the kayak. So I time-lapsed the first part of the video, and then when I got in the kayak, I'm going to time-lapse a little bit of the kayak ride. I mean, I think I'm going to go about a mile out, which a lot of people don't realize that on the kayak, a mile seems like forever. And this creek goes on for miles. I mean, the next launch isn't in but like 2 miles away. And I paddled out to it one time, and it felt like it was forever. I think I was there until nighttime, and I mean, I was just steadily going like this, and I mean, it just took forever. I eventually had to get rescued because I ended up passing the launch because it was so dark outside, and my dad came with the other truck and picked me up at the other launch, put the canoe in the back. And then when I got home, I was just covered in briars because I had to walk up through these woods because it was somewhere up near the Costco that we have up here. And I didn't realize I'd gone that far because this is Georgia, where I am right now. If I paddle up another 1.5 miles, I'm in Tennessee. So that's how close we are to the line of Tennessee. A lot of the kayaking videos you'll see this summer is up near the Chickamauga Dam, because this is the Chickamauga Creek. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe it feeds into the river where the dam is. And we'll go kayaking up near the dam, up in Harrison Bay. But that's a pretty fun trip. We went last year. If you go check out my Instagram, which is down in the description, you'll see a picture of all of us. Well, 2 of us. Braden wasn't there that day. Me, Tristan, and a couple other friends went kayaking there. And then I think that same day we went to I forget the name of the place, but we went cliff diving, and that was pretty fun. So you'll see a lot of that this summer. Of course, right now it's still February, so we're not really gonna, you know, go cliff diving in February, but this summer you'll definitely see a lot of it. We always try to find new places to go in the summer, It's we're always searching online. We'll get in group messages, and we'll always find new places to go in the summer, because that's just what we do. We find new places, adventure it, find out if we ever want to go back there. And I mean, we just have a good time during the summer, really. But you'll see a lot of it, so just subscribe and I guess you'll see it. But I asked Tristan if he wanted to go with me today, because Tristan has a bunch of kayaks. He just goes kayaking a lot. But this summer I'm getting a new boat here soon, so we'll go fishing on the boat a little bit. But yeah, so just subscribe, and I mean, you'll see all the cool stuff we do. I promise you, it's not just all fitness. The adventure part is actually true. Wow, that's a big old fish in the water. Wow. It's just swimming along. The only animals I've seen on this trip is the wood ducks, which I like wood ducks. I hunt them. But last time I was on this, I was just looking up in the trees, and I saw these two owls, and they were just sitting there like staring at me like I was their food or something. It was kind of creepy, but they may have been asleep. I don't know. Oh, big tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording and turn the camera another way around, and I think I'm just gonna commentate a little bit from the other direction. I gotta fix my tripod here, so because it keeps closing. All right. The thing you probably don't know about our channel is we all work in the at the same place. There's I don't know if you're watching from somewhere else, I don't know if you have them there, but there are Food Lions, and it's like a little grocery store. I think they're mainly down south, but it's a little grocery store we all work at. It's me, Braden, and Tristan. It's the BTJ where it comes from. And so we all work at that same grocery store, and it seems like here lately the managers there have been making us all work at different times. So say I usually work at 6 o'clock at night all the way to 11, and Tristan will work, like today he's working I think till 3:30. So right as I come in, they are leaving. So I don't know if they're doing it on purpose, trying to sabotage us, but I don't believe they are. I think it's just them doing it and scheduling us at different hours. They're not really meaning to. But yeah, we all have been working different hours here lately, so we haven't really gotten to do much with the I'm gonna go check this line over here. Somebody left a line in the water. There's never really fish on them, but that's the reason we haven't been posting many videos. Tristan's always working at different times. Me and Braden will actually have, no, that was just a bobber, and I'm hitting trees. Oh, there's a fishy. Just jumped up right there. Let's see, I don't think I can get through there. I gotta turn around. I can get through those, but man, it is cold out here.